Illuminate your streets with Sungreat energy solar power. Tired of costly electricity bills for street lighting? Switch to solar street lights for a brighter, greener future. Why choose Sungreat energy solar street lights? Energy efficient. Harness the power of the sun for free. Environmentally friendly. Reduce your carbon footprint. Low maintenance. Say goodbye to frequent bulb replacements. Durable and weather-resistant, built to withstand the elements. Automatic dusk-to-dawn lighting, no manual operation required. Perfect for city streets, parks, and pathways, residential neighborhoods, commercial areas. Light up your community responsibly. Make the switch to solar today. Contact us at WhatsApp +92 302 76 77 931 or visit www.sungreatenergy.com to learn more. Join the solar revolution and brighten up your streets while saving money and the planet.